How to delete your eBay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your eBay account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your eBay account, all you have to do is open your browser and just go to ebay.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've done that, just tap the three lines option from the top right, and then over here you should be able to see all these details, or you can just tap your profile icon here. Once you tap the profile icon over there, you should be able to find this option called account. Make sure to just go to account. Once you go to account, under account preferences you'll find this option known as close account. Make sure to tap the close account option, and as you tap on the close account option you should be able to see all the details, but scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find this option known as close account. Tap on it and make sure to confirm the password, and after that your eBay account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your eBay accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.